Choosing between hiring machine learning engineers and data scientists can be challenging. Both roles are crucial in the machine learning lifecycle, but their responsibilities and skill sets differ significantly. Understanding these differences can help organizations make informed hiring decisions that align with their specific needs and goals. The machine learning lifecycle involves multiple experts working collaboratively, including data engineers, data scientists, machine learning engineers, and product managers. From raw data to deployment, each specialist plays a vital role. Machine learning engineers have become increasingly important as companies realize that the true value of data science is only achieved when models are successfully deployed into production environments. Data scientists focus on using machine learning and deep learning models to solve business problems. They may develop new algorithms or optimize pre-trained models to address specific issues. On the other hand, machine learning engineers are responsible for transforming these models into production-ready systems. This involves optimizing models, building MLOps infrastructure, and ensuring smooth deployment and monitoring. Data scientists typically come from STEM backgrounds and may hold advanced degrees like a PhD in economics, physics, or mathematics. Their primary objective is to create models that provide insights and solutions. Machine learning engineers, often with software engineering backgrounds, specialize in deploying, monitoring, and scaling these models. They need to be proficient with engineering tools and frameworks such as Kubernetes and C++ to convert model artifacts into faster formats. Despite their differences, data scientists and machine learning engineers share many similarities, including their tech stacks, such as Python. Collaboration is essential for the success of any data science project. Data scientists develop multiple candidate models and hand them over to machine learning engineers for evaluation and deployment. Effective communication and collaboration tools like Slack, Jira, and Asana can facilitate this process, although in-person or video collaboration is often more effective for complex tasks. The demand for machine learning engineers has surged, outstripping that for data scientists. Companies are increasingly focusing on deploying reliable models that can serve millions of customers. This shift is reflected in the growing number of online courses and training programs for machine learning engineering. The market for machine learning is expected to be worth $204.30 billion by the end of 2024, with a 22% annual growth in the number of machine learning engineers employed from 2024 to 2030. In summary, both data scientists and machine learning engineers are essential for the successful execution of machine learning projects. Understanding their distinct roles and responsibilities can help organizations build effective teams that can develop, deploy, and maintain robust machine learning models. As the industry continues to evolve, the collaboration between these two roles will remain crucial for driving innovation and achieving business goals.